Welcome to the channel. I'm going to take a quick walk around, not necessarily a shopping trip because I don't have any intentions of buying anything, and if I do, it won't be anything major. So come along with me and let's go shopping. I'm going to pick this up for a project that I have going on in the house. I've made some vanilla extract and this will go perfectly. This is a table I'm thinking about purchasing, but unfortunately they're all out. This is just a dream. I have my mom with me and she's wanting to redo her kitchen, maybe her bathroom. So a lot of what you'll see is items that my mom is interested in. Now these knobs are all for me. This is something I'm dreaming about for the new kitchen. I also will need some doormats and I'm thinking of getting these and customizing them for the new house. I would like to have a chopping board or a cutting board for the kitchen as decoration. This one is absolutely gorgeous. This one I think I'll pick up later. I think I want to add some elements of wood in the house, and this bowl would be beautiful as decoration in the kitchen. I'm not going to get it today, but I'm going to keep it in mind. The price was right. I do need a big bowl like this for canning. I may pick this up. I want to change out the dishes. The price for these are a little steep. Here are some lamps I think are pretty interesting. I don't know if I'll get them, but they're pretty. This is a rug I'm interested in. This might go at the back door. This one I think I might put in my office. Beautiful rug. I would like some lanterns. I already have some lights or tea lights, but lanterns, definitely. And this little beauty, I'm going to leave because it's too expensive, but I'm going to find one later. I hope you guys like that quick little shopping trip. I actually did not put a lot of items in this video that I mentioned that were going to be for my mom because y'all don't want to see what's going on in my mama house. Y'all want to see what's going on in the new house. So this is what I did. This is what I saw. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope they're going to be all right. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in the next video.
1, 2, 3.